Hey beauties, welcome back to the channel. My name is Hope. If this is your first time seeing this beautiful face, please do well to hit the subscribe button. And if you're a returning subscriber, you know what it is. I love you. So in today's video, we'll be reviewing the Carebeau Spa Lightening Salt. So if that seems like what you're interested in, please sit back, relax, take your drink and your popcorn while we jump right into the video. So here is the product we'll be reviewing in today's video. It is the Carebeau Spa Lightening Salt Scrub, and this one comes in the turmeric. Now, what scrub does for you? Scrub helps to remove dead skin cells, create new skin cells, right? So if you are a human being, not because I'm not going to say whether a man or a woman, everybody should be scrubbing their skin. Now, if you're a human being and you don't scrub, I don't know what you're doing in this century. Maybe you should go back to the 1650s or something. Okay, so if you don't scrub your skin, how will your skin rejuvenate? So, sometimes all you have to do for your other skincare products to work topically is for you to apply a scrub. And now this one is a spa lightening scrub by Carebeau. Now I've used a lot of salt scrubs that I'm going to be reviewing later on my channel. I'm going to tell you how this scrub works. And I'm going to be very honest with you guys. This is the first time I'm using the Carebeau. They have different ranges of products. They have different ranges of scrubs. They come in different colors, different variants. But I'll be reviewing the one in the turmeric. They have other ones that comes. There's this one that I saw when I was going to buy this. It's a purple color. It's in the mixed fruits, I think. So they just like other products, other salt scrubs, they also have different variants. I think they have another one in tamarind. Yes, I saw the one that comes in tamarind. So this scrub, oh my god, starting from the packaging, I love the packaging. I love the way the packaging looks. And then yes, my skin loves turmeric, so that's why since it's a product I'm trying out for the first time, I had to go for the turmeric. So I wanted to make this one my first use because I know that with turmeric I can't go wrong. So it comes like this. This is how the top is. It says Carebeau Spa Lightening Salt, and then most of it's a Thailand product. It's made in Thailand, and most of the writings are actually in Thailand language. But the important things are written in English, and I'll be telling you guys what this scrub does. Starting with the ingredients, the ingredient list. The number one ingredient is sodium chloride, aqua, sodium laureth sulfate, camphor citric acid, Cl19140, blah blah blah, ascorbic acid, tocopherol acetate. Oh god, is it acetate or actate? I don't know how to pronounce that, sorry, but I think I did a good job in pronouncing all these ones. I think I'm improving how to pronounce botanical words. Hey, anyways guys, that's what's in the ingredient list. Yes, and of course it contains vitamin E, vitamin C, and AHA. So we all know that AHA is an exfoliant, and it's really good exfoliate dead skin cells from the skin. Vitamin E is also good for the skin, like we all know, and vitamin C is awesome for the skin. It helps with skin brightening. So that's it about all that is on this. So now let's read what the manufacturer says this scrub does. It says Carebeau Spa Lightening Salt Turmeric Salt Scrub helps to remove dead skin cells, create new skin cells with vitamin E, C, and AHA to make your skin look radiant, scent refreshed throughout the day. Now it says how to use. Scrub the skin while wet, gently massage into the body, then rinse with clean water. Should use every day. But now, of everything they've written here, I agree with everything except the fact that the manufacturer says we should use this every day, which I do not advise you scrub your skin every day. If you're going to scrub your skin 2 to 3 times a week is okay for a scrub. I do 2 times twice a week, which is very okay for me, and I have a sensitive skin, so I do not like to over exfoliate my skin as well. so that I don't irritate my skin. So twice is enough for you to use any scrub at all, except like I said, you have a particular reason why you want to do more than twice, but it shouldn't be more than 3 times. Now that is that for the body. And then yes, this product is a 700 gram product. I don't know if you can see it here. So it's really big, it's super big, and it's going to last you for, depending on how you use your products. For me, I don't have mercy on these products. When I use them, I don't mercy for them. So moving on to opening this cup of beauty. It has a seal covering it, a waterproof seal, a nylon seal covering it from the top. So I'd already removed that because I've been using this product already. So I already cut it out and I've been using it. So that is why it is not sealed. So that's one thing I like about it. It is sealed. It comes sealed. So once you open it, you find, this is the cover. You find another like a protector. So this is also a plastic protector covering the scrub. This is going to prevent it from spilling, and I think I love this about it as well. So this is it. They use this to protect it. This is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. I hope you can see it. It is really beautiful. I love the yellow color, and like I said, turmeric is bae for me, so I don't have a problem with turmeric anytime, any day. So it's a product that I've already started using. Like you can see here, it's not new. Like I've been using it, so I can already tell you I've used it for 2 weeks, going on 3 weeks now. So I can tell you what this, how this works. Wet your body like it is written here. Make sure your skin is wet. That's how I use it, because it's sort of it's not, the bits are not very harsh. They are not very harsh, but then, so that you don't get micro tears, it's better that you wet your skin. I like to use this after I've already used soap on my skin. So I just gently use this to go on top, and it's foamy. So when you use it, it feels like you're bathing with soap. It's very, very lovely on the skin. So I really like to use this, and I would recommend it anytime, any day. If you're looking for a scrub that is going to whiten you, this is not it. Lightening, it does brighten the skin. Yes, I can't lie about that, because normally when you use a scrub, it takes out dead skin cells, right, to reveal new skin cells and rejuvenate the skin. That is what a scrub should do. That is the job description of your scrub anytime, any day. So if your scrub does not do that, it's probably not even a good scrub at all. So this really does the job of a scrub. It removes the dead skin cells, thereby creating and revealing a new skin cell. So that's automatically helps to brighten your skin, because all the gunks and all that on your skin, you've taken them out. What could actually prevent your other product, your other skincare product from working, you've taken them out and you've rejuvenated it with your scrub. So your other product, your other skincare product tends to work better. I don't know if you understand what I'm trying to say. So that way your scrub is actually brightening you. So this does a very good job at brightening, but I wouldn't say it whitens. But yes, when you start to use it, your skin will begin to, it will help your other products, whether they're lightening or not lightening, to brighten you more, because it tends to make the other product that you use work better. But overall, this brightens your skin. But I wouldn't say this whitens. It will not whiten you. It is not a whitening scrub. Lightening, I've told you, it will not exactly whiten you. All it does is brighten your skin, and that is what. And aside from taking the dead skin cells, it will leave your skin very refreshed. Even after using it, your skin feels like very soft. You will get an instant result from using it, and it is not very harsh on the skin. So far, so good for me. I'm gonna rate this product a 95%. And then another thing, for those that would say, Hope, should I use this scrub on my face? Sincerely speaking, I've never used this particular product on my face, but I don't even recommend that you use any salt scrub on your face, any body scrub at all on your face. If it's written body, let it stay on your body, like I always say. So I don't because it is written there, take care of your body. They didn't say take care of your face and body, they said body, so not your facial skin. And then aside that, it is salt. We know that salt can be a bit harsh. so I wouldn't advise you apply that onto your facial skin, right? So I've tried, not this particular one, I've tried applying a salt scrub in the past on my face once, and I didn't like the way it felt. It felt really a bit harsh for my facial skin. So after that first trial, I have never tried it. But this particular product, I've never tried it on my face, and I do not recommend you try it on your face. So if you've ever tried a salt scrub on your face, any salt scrub at all, so tell me how it worked on your skin. I'm interested. You know, I'm nosy. I'm interested to know. So I've tried a lot of salt scrubs in the past, and I'm going to be reviewing them one after the other. But now this is my first time of trying the Carebeau spa salt, and I wouldn't even lie, guys. It is, now I know that I'm a skincare junkie. You all know I'm a skincare junkie. I like to try different things. I won't even lie. But when it comes to scrub, I'm very picky. When it comes to body scrubs, I tend to, because I don't want to have micro tears. I have a sensitive skin, like I told you guys. So even though I want to do try and errors with other products, not with my scrubs. So I've used a particular scrub for a very long time, the longest I can remember, which I'll be reviewing to you guys. I'm wondering why that scrub is not the first one I'm reviewing on this channel. I'm wondering why I have not reviewed it. But then I'm going to review that very soon. You guys just give me some time. I'm going to come back and review that. But now trying this one, if you ask me, Hope, will you buy it again? I definitely would buy the Carebeau spa salt again and again and again. I'm going to try other variants, and once I'm trying them, I'll come here and tell you guys how it works. But so far, the turmeric has done a lot of wonders on my skin. I love how my skin feels after using. My skin literally thanks me after scrubbing with this, using this scrub. So far I love it, and I would like to try it again. Other ranges, I don't know, there are so many ranges to try from. There are so many ranges. They have I think they have it in tomato too. Yes, I think they have it in tomato. I saw it in tomato the day I went to buy. But I can't even lie, I had to stick with this. Like I said earlier on, I like turmeric on my skin. My skin loves turmeric as well. So I like to start, because it's a product I'm just trying out, I have to go with the turmeric first, because I know turmeric, I can't go wrong with that. So if you've tried other variants of this product, if you've tried the tomato, if you tried the tamarind, if you've tried any other range of this product that really worked for you, please tell me how it worked in the comment section, because I'm thinking after this one I would like to explore, because I already love the product. I give it a 95%. Why I'm not giving it 100% is because 100% is just I'm stingy with my 100%, but I wouldn't lie, this product did a very good job, and so far I do not have any reservations about it. I've told you guys how this 100% how this product worked for me. So the turmeric worked really fine on my skin. So if you guys have tried any other ranges that really worked well, or that works well amongst the tomato, the tamarind, and maybe any other one I do not know about, please put down in the comment section, because I want to explore with this product. I want to try, just like I've tried other products in scrubs, and I've explored on a particular brand and different brands. I would like to use this one as well, and also explore their other ranges of products too. So please recommend, guys, for me which other ones you have tried that you know that really worked well, so that I can go try it and come tell you guys how it works. If you've been watching me and you have never really subscribed to my channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. Please hit the subscribe button, and I'm gonna see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Thank you. Bye, guys.